No, let's do this one.
Oh yeah, this is yes.
Hey. Is it in G?
No, I stand for
I already put my guitar away.
That's still good.
Alright,
Ready?
yeah. Here I stand, hand in hand, turn my face to the wall. If she's gone, I can't go on, feeling 2 foot small. Everywhere people stare, each and every day, I can see them laugh at me, and I hear them say, "Hey, you're premature.
I am my
Hey, count us off for the chorus. Hey, you got to hide your love away."
Second verse.
Oh yeah. I even try, I can never win. Hearing them, seeing them in the state I'm in. How could she say to me, love will find a way? Gather round, all you clowns, let me hear you say, hey, you got to hide your love away. Woo! Hey, you got to hide your love away.
Yep. We're repeating fade.
Hey, you got to hide your love away.
I was trying
I have 1 minute left.
I did a pretty good job with it.
Woo! That's pretty good.
Yay!
This is a teacher to me at the YMCA. I go, give yourself a round of applause, everyone.